of class 8th. Today we are going to proceed with chapter 1 computer network. Before this video you have already learned about computer networks, type of computer network and the way through which computer network are connected. There are the two ways in which computer networks are connected. Now we are going to discuss that in detail. Wired media or guided media and wireless media or unguided media. Now connection means how we connect computer in a network. We connect computer in a network either through wire or cable or through wireless mode with signals. So wired media is a media in which communication of data is transmitted through cable or wired, such as twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics cable. This media is also called the guided media because the sender and receiver both are directly connected and the information is sent through it. Both sender and receiver are connected through a cable or wire and all the information transmitted only through that cable or wire. Now, first one is twisted pair cable. It contains two twisted wire that use copper as conductor. These can be of two types: sealed twisted pair STP and unsealed twisted pair UTP. Next is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable can carry signals of higher frequency range than twisted pair cable. It is used in cable TV network. Fiber optics cable. Optical fiber transmitted data at a faster rate. They are also able to carry more signals. Fiber allow longer distance to be spanned before the signal has to be regenerated by expensive repeater. It is used up to a distance of 100 km. Fiber are more secure because tap in the line can be detected. These cables contain optical fiber coated with plastic layer and can carry more data than other cables. These are thinner and lighter but very expensive. Now, wireless or unguided media. In wireless media data are transmitted through open air. So it is said to be unguided because there is no connectivity between the sender and the receiver. The information is spread over the air and anyone including the recipient may collect these information. In wireless media, data is transmitted through electromagnetic signal across the network. First one is microwave. It refers to radio wave that use high frequency to send and data or information over a network. Its frequency can be of 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Radio infrared infrared It sends signals using infrared light waves. Also use line of sight transmission. Signals only traveled for short distance used by remote control wireless device such as mouse, printer, digital camera, etc. Infrared waves are the light waves with a lower frequency than that of human eyes. In this transmission, data is transmitted through infrared radiation. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is the proprietary open wireless technology standard for exchanging data over short distance from fixed and mobile devices, creating personal area network PANs with high level of security. It can be connected several devices overcoming problem of synchronization. It refers to wireless technology that create a small wireless network. The data transmitted over Bluetooth varies from 723 kbps to 1 mbps in short range of maximum 10 meter. Radio waves. High frequency radio waves that provide high speed transmission up to 150 mbps. Signals are sent from one microwave station to another, limited to line of sight transmission, which means that microwaves must be transmitted in a straight line with no obstruction between antennas. This means that microwave antennas are placed in high place. In high place, the wavelength used in radio waves is longer than that of visible light. The range of frequency of radio wave can be 300 kHz to 30 kHz, can be 30 kHz to 300 megahertz. Next is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity, is a mechanism for wireless connection electronic device. A device enabled with Wi-Fi such as personal computer, video game console, smartphone or digital audio player can be connected to internet via wireless network access point. An access point is called hotspot, has a range of about 20 meters, that is 65 feet, and a greater range outdoor. Multiple overlapping access point can cover this area. Small Next is WiMAX. It stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. It is a wireless communication as same to Wi-Fi but with high speed of 70 Mbps over an area of 50 kilometer. Next is satellite. Satellite communication is a combination of satellite that orbit the earth in a fixed position and satellite antenna placed at the earth station. The frequency of satellite communication is 1 to 50 gigahertz. Now this is about the types of network connection. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.